Today we are talking about the 2026 Honda CB100, a motorcycle that blends classic Honda reliability with modern-day design and technology, making it an exciting option for daily riders and new enthusiasts alike. The 2026 Honda CB100 is designed for riders who want simplicity, efficiency, and smooth performance without sacrificing style. Honda has always been known for building dependable motorcycles, and the CB100 continues that legacy with a clean, minimalistic look that feels both modern and timeless. Its compact body, sharp fuel tank lines, and balanced proportions give it a confident road presence, especially for urban environments. Under the hood, the Honda CB100 is expected to feature a refined small-capacity engine focused on fuel efficiency and smooth power delivery. This bike is clearly aimed at city commuting and light highway use, offering a responsive throttle and comfortable riding experience. The engine tuning prioritizes low-end and mid-range torque, which means better control in traffic and less stress during everyday rides. Honda's engineering ensures reduced vibration and a quiet, refined feel, making long rides more comfortable. In terms of ride quality, the 2026 CB100 is built on a lightweight frame that enhances handling and maneuverability. The suspension setup is tuned for real-world roads, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces with ease. Whether you are navigating tight city streets or cruising on open roads, the bike feels stable and predictable. The braking system is designed to provide confident stopping power, adding an extra layer of safety for new and experienced riders alike. Technology and features on the 2026 Honda CB100 reflect modern rider needs. A digital instrument cluster provides clear information such as speed, fuel level, trip details, and maintenance alerts. LED lighting improves visibility and gives the bike a premium touch. Honda also focuses on rider comfort with a well-padded seat, natural riding posture, and easy-to-reach handlebars, making this bike ideal for daily use. One of the biggest strengths of the Honda CB100 is its fuel efficiency and low maintenance cost. This makes it a smart choice for students, office commuters, and anyone looking for an affordable yet stylish motorcycle. Honda's strong resale value and wide service network further add to its appeal, especially in markets where reliability matters most. Overall, the 2026 Honda CB100 stands out as a practical, stylish, and trustworthy motorcycle that fits perfectly into modern lifestyles. It may not be built for extreme speed, but it excels in comfort, efficiency, and everyday usability, which is exactly what many riders are looking for. If you enjoyed this review and want more upcoming bike and car content, make sure to subscribe to ViralVerse, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Your support helps the channel grow and brings you more exciting reviews.